Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the unexpected error on Facebook. So it's simple and quick, so without any further delay, let's get started. The very first thing you'll want to do is to make absolutely sure your application is completely updated. Just go to the Google Play Store and at the top in the search bar search for Facebook. Then to the right of the Facebook it will just show open or update. If it shows open, it means that you are using the latest version of Facebook app. If it says update, your application needs to be updated. Go ahead and update your app. The whole point of this is that new update fix the issues and problems. Might be a bug. If it doesn't work, then the next step is go to the uninstall your app and then reinstall it. It's important to start fresh. If updating doesn't fix the issue, then you simply have to press this uninstall button over here, and then once it uninstall, you can go ahead and install it again. Once in just all about situation, this resolves the problems. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.